Are you looking to expand your dental implant skills? Join us for our upcoming training program in beautiful Budapest, Hungary on May 18th. This hands-on certified course will provide practical instruction. It covers state-of-the-art techniques like the DASK Sinus kit and bright implants. Over a day, you'll learn about approaches like narrow ridge implantation. You'll also go through placing implants through both crystal and lateral methods. Our experienced instructors will guide you to feel comfortable trying these procedures yourself. Once you finish the course, it will be a free day for everyone. You can either go to a nearby shopping center called West End or relax at the wellness part of the hotel. After your training, you'll be ready to use these new techniques in your practice and will leave with lifelong memories of this beautiful city. To book your spot, visit our website at dentaeum.uk. See you in Budapest this May 18th for an educational and memorable experience. Expand your skills while soaking up the culture of this charming European destination. Register today and get a perfect chance to improve your implantology skill.